Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this 6-light chandelier. This is super nice and modern. As you can see, each of the light bulbs are going here. Light bulbs are not included, but they're super easy to buy online and super easy to assemble. You basically just slide each of these caps on these, and then you screw each of these levers into here, and you can adjust this to the length that you want. There's also an additional arm that you can attach so you can make this even longer. But this size will work perfectly for me. And just got the 2 cables up here to attach to your wall, and then it's also got the ground cable. Taking a look here, you could easily tilt this to your desired position, so it works great on ceilings that are kind of at an angle. And you can also rotate these and move them as you like. Really easy to install. We're about to install it right now. So first off, we just want to secure the mount plate to the ceiling. 2 simple screws there. Now we're securing the white cable on the ceiling to the white one in the chandelier, and then connecting the black cable to the black cable. Simple right there. Now connecting the ground cables, and then finally securing on the decorative plate. Now here is the finished chandelier. As you can see, it looks very elegant. 6 lights, so it lights up the area very, very nicely. And turns off, turns on. Very beautiful. Overall, I highly recommend this. Thanks for watching.